Hey, what's up guys, V here. So today I'm going to take a look at the Astro C40 TR controller. As a hobby, I do game from time to time, so I picked this up. I will have a link in the description below. You know guys, if you do like my content, please like, comment, subscribe. So we're going to unbox this today. Let's check it out, see what's in it. So it is the Astro C40. It's a Logitech company, so in the box, nice case. I've never owned any of their products before, but they usually make gaming headsets. But let's see here. Here's the box. Got your booklet for your instructions. Oh man, I'm trying to look at that later. All these here. This is the case it comes in. It's nice. Check that out. Little zipper. Alright, Astro. So let me take a second to check this out here. So CT40 configuration software comes with integrated remappable rear buttons, trigger stops, wireless audio, 12 hours of battery life, included a travel case, replaceable caps, swappable, replaceable modules, remappable rear buttons, 2.4 gigahertz USB wireless transmitter. Alright, and it looks like these are the different ways you can actually customize it. And I'm going to swing the camera around here in a minute and I'll let you see how you can do that. But you can actually map out and pull out the little stops as you go, or the little buttons, and put them how you want. So that's it for that. Let's take a look inside. This is a nice case. There we go. Check that out. Oh, it's got some weight to it. Pretty nice build. Here, we'll take a look at that in a second. Let's check out what's in here. So we have the cable here to hook it up to your PlayStation 4. It also works on the PC. This is a little transmitter here you plug into your PS4 or the PC USB port. It talks to the controller. Then we have the buttons here. And I'll pull them out of the case. You have the little tool, little Allen key, and have replaceable buttons. There's a little dome-shaped button. And you have some that are more concave. Has little dots on it there for grip. You also have the ones that are shorter. So here's a comparison. One's shorter than the other, so it sits a little bit higher on the controller when you place it down. So that is that, and you got two of those. So right now, like I said, I'm going to swing the camera around. We're going to come from a different view, and I'm going to show you how to... Oh, let me show you the controller, sorry. There's a controller, and so you can actually move these to anywhere you want. And I'll bring it around and I will demonstrate that. Give me a second. Okay guys, here we are. I brought it around here so you can check this out. So all your PS buttons, they're there. Those buttons, mapping button. This here is the wireless button. So you flick it that way, it's wireless. You put it back, it goes to the wired. This is the profile button. So if you have two different profiles, you just push that way, it goes to one profile, you know, back the other. These are button stops. What is special about these controllers? These are usually used, like professional gamers usually use these controllers and stuff for, like say the first-person shooter games or whatever game you want to map it out for. But these are going to help you fire a little quicker. That goes halfway out in there to hit that trigger quicker. You pop it down, it goes all the way in. It's for like driving games and stuff. So, let's see what else here. PlayStation button, if I didn't already go over that. Oh, it has the two buttons here. Also, two extra buttons. And then what I'm going to do now is I'm going to show you how you can change these out. Here's your 4 screws. If you want to speed it up, you can just skip forward in the video. That's fine with me. And actually, one more thing. So this here is your transmitter for the Bluetooth on the PlayStation. I'm sorry, not Bluetooth, but it transmits to here, and this is what it talks to for the controller to be wireless. And also it has the wire it comes with. It's interesting because this is inset, and I don't know if a lot of you know it, on PlayStation controllers, excuse me, start to wiggle around a lot, and the micro USB slot starts to get all weird. And this here is actually inset, so it goes in. It goes all the way in, so you don't have that problem. So it's like you're actually inset. Anyway, let me take that out and go ahead and get this apart here. Again, go ahead and speed it up if you want to. I'm going to go ahead and take these out real quick. It's just a little Allen key. And it's a really good company. Logitech does own Astro. They do a lot of, you know, if I didn't mention before, they do a lot of headsets. And there's your piece there that goes there. And so if you're used to like the, let's say, Xbox configuration, pop that out, put that there. So they have little guides here. There's red, and there's a red line in here to show you where to line that up at, so you get a good fit. That there, and you can also move this one. These stay the same. If for some reason you wanted both of these over there, I mean, I guess you can put both of them over there and put the D-pad over here. And then you just tighten it up. And you are all set. Really quite simple. There. And there you have it. You got your other configuration there. And let me just show you how these buttons work here. These, you just pop those off. Grab one out of the box. If you want a taller one, just pop that on. Just like that. You're still ready to go. That's it, guys. Astro C40 Pro controller. This is V. I'm out.